The most commonly used phrasal verbs. Part 1. Advanced level. Settle down. Settle down. Definition: to establish a stable life, especially by getting married or buying a house. Example sentences. After years of traveling, she finally settled down in a small town. Synonym: establish stability. Show off. Show off. Definition: to display or demonstrate one's abilities or possessions, often in a boastfully manner. Example sentences. He always shows off his expensive watch. Synonym: flaunt, proclaim, or exhibit. Break into. Break into. Definition: to forcibly enter a building or vehicle, usually with criminal intent. Example sentences. Someone broke in our house while we were on vacation. Synonym: burglarize, rob, or steal. Carry out. Carry out. Definition: complete or fulfill a task or action. Example sentences. We need to carry out the plan as soon as possible. Synonym: execute. Go over. Go over. Definition: to review or examine something carefully. Example sentences. Let's go over the details of the project again. Synonym: review. Hold up. Hold up. Definition: to delay or hinder progress. Example sentences. The traffic accident held up our journey for hours. Synonym: delay. Turn in. Turn in. Definition: to submit or hand over something, especially to authorities. Example sentences. Please turn in your assignments by Friday. Synonym: submit. Back up. Back up. Definition: to provide support or assistance. Example sentences: can you back me up in the meeting if I need it? Synonym: support, take off, take off. Definition: to become successful or popular rapidly. Example sentences: the new song by the band really took off. Synonym: succeed, turn down, turn down. Definition: to refuse or reject something. Example sentences: she turned down the job offer because of the low salary. Synonym: reject. Thank you for watching.